Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been rapidly advancing over the past few decades, and its impact on the workplace is becoming increasingly significant. In this video, we will explore how AI and robotics are changing various industries, the potential for automation to replace jobs, and what the future of work might look like in an AI-dominated world. AI is already making its mark in many sectors, from manufacturing to healthcare. Automation is improving efficiency and accuracy in tasks like data analysis, diagnostics, and even surgery. AI-driven robots are becoming more common in warehouses and factories, reducing the need for human labor in repetitive tasks. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and chatbots are also streamlining customer service. One of the biggest concerns about AI is its potential to automate jobs that have traditionally been done by humans. This shift towards automation is not just a futuristic concept, it is happening right now, and its impact is being felt across various industries. From manufacturing to services, the rise of automation is transforming the way we work and live. Studies show that up to 40% of jobs could be automated in the next 2 decades. This statistic is not just a number, it represents millions of people whose livelihoods could be affected. The fear of job loss is real, and it is prompting both workers and policymakers to rethink the future of employment. While some jobs will disappear, new opportunities will also emerge, requiring a different set of skills and adaptability. Fields like transportation, retail, and finance are particularly vulnerable to automation. Self-driving cars and trucks are already being tested on roads around the world, promising to revolutionize the transportation industry. In retail, cashierless stores are becoming more common, allowing customers to shop without the need for human cashiers. In the finance sector, AI-powered systems are taking over tasks that were once the domain of human traders, making stock trading faster and more efficient, and automated stock trading platforms are already being implemented. Warehouses are also seeing a surge in automation, with robots sorting and packing products with incredible speed and accuracy. This technological advancement is not just about replacing human labor, it is about enhancing productivity and efficiency. However, it also raises important questions about the future of work, the role of humans in an automated world, and the ethical implications of relying so heavily on machines. Chapter 3. Will robots take over our jobs? While AI and automation may replace some jobs, many experts believe that new job opportunities will emerge. AI will create demand for skilled workers who can develop, maintain, and improve these technologies. Additionally, AI could enhance human capabilities, allowing workers to focus on more creative and strategic tasks, while machines handle the more routine ones. Chapter 4. The skills needed for the future of work. As AI continues to evolve, the skills required for the future workforce will change. The integration of artificial intelligence into various industries is not just a trend, but a transformative shift that will redefine job roles and responsibilities. Workers will need to be proficient in technology, data analysis, and problem solving. The ability to code, understand complex data sets, and derive actionable insights will be crucial. Moreover, problem-solving skills will be indispensable as employees will be required to navigate and address unforeseen challenges that come with technological advancements. Soft skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, and communication will also become increasingly valuable. Creativity will drive innovation, allowing businesses to stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. Emotional intelligence will help in managing interpersonal relationships judiciously and empathetically, fostering a collaborative work environment. Effective communication will be key in ensuring that ideas are clearly conveyed and understood across diverse teams. Lifelong learning will be essential. The pace at which technology evolves means that the skills relevant today may become obsolete tomorrow. Continuous education, whether through formal courses, online learning platforms, or self-study, will be necessary to keep up with the latest developments and maintain a competitive edge in the job market. As employees will need to adapt to new technologies and work environments, this adaptability will not only involve learning how to use new tools and software, but also adjusting to new ways of working, such as remote work setups or hybrid models. Embracing change and being flexible will be critical for success in the future workplace. The ability to quickly learn and integrate new technologies will set apart those who thrive from those who merely survive in the evolving job landscape. Chapter 5: The Ethical and Social Implications. The rise of AI in the workplace raises important ethical and social questions. As AI continues to evolve and integrate into various sectors, it brings with it a wave of change that affects not just the economy but the very fabric of our society. How do we ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly? This question is at the heart of many debates. It's crucial to consider how AI can be used to bridge gaps rather than widen them. Equity and inclusion must be prioritized to prevent the creation of a digital divide. What happens to workers whose jobs are displaced by automation? The fear of job loss is real and palpable. As machines take over repetitive and manual tasks, many workers find themselves at a crossroads, uncertain about their future. This transition period can be challenging and requires thoughtful intervention. Governments and businesses will need to collaborate to create policies that support workers in transitioning to new roles. This includes investing in retraining programs and educational initiatives that equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of tomorrow. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, we can help mitigate the negative impacts of automation and ensure that AI development is ethical and responsible. Developers and ethicists must work hand in hand to establish guidelines that prioritize human well-being. This involves addressing issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the transparency of AI systems. By doing so, we can build a future where AI serves humanity in a fair and just manner. Public engagement is also essential. Communities should be involved in discussions about AI's role in society. By fostering open dialogue, we can ensure that diverse perspectives are considered and that the development of AI aligns with the values and needs of all members of society. Education plays a pivotal role in this transition. By integrating AI literacy into our educational systems, we can prepare future generations to navigate and thrive in an AI-driven world. This includes not only technical skills but also an understanding of the ethical implications of AI. In sectors like healthcare, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. However, it is imperative to ensure that these advancements are accessible to all and that they do not exacerbate existing inequalities in healthcare access. Similarly, AI can play a significant role in addressing environmental challenges. From monitoring wildlife to optimizing energy use, AI offers tools that can help us create a more sustainable future. But this requires a commitment to using AI responsibly and ethically. Ultimately, the ethical and social implications of AI are vast and complex. It is a collective responsibility to navigate these challenges thoughtfully. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to create a future that is equitable, inclusive, and beneficial for all. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is undoubtedly shaping the future of work, but the outcome isn't as simple as robots taking over human jobs. While automation may replace certain roles, it also has the potential to enhance the workforce and create new opportunities. The key to navigating this transition will be adaptability, education, and ensuring that technology serves humanity's best interests.